How to activate your Destiny credit card online. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you through the steps on how you can activate your Destiny credit card online, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to activate a Destiny credit card or MasterCard online, it's very simple to do so. First of all, come to this link, which is destiny.myfinanceservice.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. Once you come to this website, you're going to be able to land on this page where if you want to activate your credit card account or for your Destiny card, it means that you have to first of all log into your online account. So what you want to do is on the right hand side you can see it says login to our secure server. So in this case, make sure to go ahead and then basically enter your username. Once you've done that, also make sure to actually go ahead and enter your password. Once you've done either of these steps, click the login button. Once you click the login button, your Destiny card will get successfully automatically activated. But by the way, if you have not yet registered an account, you can just click the register your account to follow the instructions to register them accordingly. But to give you a basic idea, this is it on how you can activate your Destiny credit card. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.